Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2019 Harris 250 Grand Mariner. This particular boat is powered by twin Mercury Verado 300 horsepower, digital throttle and shift, and these are the brand new naturally aspirated engines. This boat comes with a transom stainless steel boarding ladder. This is the single lounger option. Coming through, this boat does have the black Delta tower with the rear bimini off the back. You've got dual helm seats, and this is the raised helm. Simrad GPS, JL audio system, and this is the new dash. This boat also has the total lighting package as well. Coming forward, forward seating, flip down cup holders, armrest, portable cup holder. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2019 Harris 250 Grand Mariner. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.